channel. It's Astrid once again, and if you're new to this channel, make sure to subscribe and join this family that's growing little by little. And yeah, so today we are in California. As you guys can see, I'm in my hotel. I'm in the little thing. We are in California. We're gonna do a lot of fun things today, and all this week we're gonna be doing a lot of fun things, so hopefully you guys have fun with me. And yeah, I guess I'll be showing you guys all the things that I see. The weather is so beautiful here. Have a long sleeve. I'm kind of hot, but not that much, so hopefully I don't get hot. But the climate here is amazing. It's so beautiful, and I just love California, guys. And if you're from here and you're watching this, I love your city and I love everything about California. So yeah, so we're just gonna be doing a few things. We're gonna be going to Knott's Berry Farm, if you guys know, and if you guys have gone. We love Knott's Berry Farm. We love Snoopy. We love the rides. Well, not really. I really don't like go on the rides because I get like really dizzy, but I'll try for you guys. I'll try to get on the rides and have fun so you guys can see. And yeah, I'll catch you guys right now when we arrive, and I hope you guys have fun and like this video. Make sure to like it, and if you have any comments of anything that you guys want to tell me, or anything, other ideas that you want me to start filming on this YouTube channel, let me know. I'll be checking those out. And yeah, bye guys.
Raindrop, drip, drop top, top smoking, no cooking the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Cooking up, open the park pot. We came from.
Are you excited to go to Knott's Berry Farm?
Yeah, because they have fast rides. I love that.
And which one are you gonna get?
Probably all of them, but I want.
Stop being a liar.
Okay, only one I probably might be tempted not to go. It's the one that they leave you off with.
Okay. Like these. So this is the outfit of the day for us. We're kind of matching. A little NASA shirt that I got from Paxton. Where did you get your shirt at?
H&M.
H&M is, I like it. And then some shorts. He has jeans. His shoes. I have some Adidas on. He has some Nikes. So, lick. Hell no! Now that I think about it, I don't want to write that one. We're here! I need one. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Good. So do you have fun?
just F1.
Okay. Hey guys, so this is the Caesar Palace, and then this is how you knock on the door. So you knock, and then they open the door. Open the door.
Who is it?
It's me. Open the door. But this hotel, it's beautiful. We're in this room number 6421. So there's 6,421 rooms. This is the room. And then there's a body mirror right here. And then these are the beds. There's mirrors. I know, they gave us 2 when we asked for 1, but that doesn't matter. And then right here, you can change the curtain, so
Tell me why are there
like
2?
you can close it. It's closed. How do you close it? Okay, there. Look, it's opening for you. So basically, like, and now you can close all the windows, and then you don't have to actually like get them and close them. You can just come here and then sheer close. It's closing now. That's cool. And then let's see the drapery close. This one's not working though. And then we have this badass TV, because usually the TVs are really small in the hotels, and they give you this mini bar, and they have coffee kit, cashews on M&Ms and Snickers, and a Fiji water, but they charge if you pick this up, and they're like so expensive. And he picked like a lot of them up, and then you unlock this, and there's beer, Gatorades, energy drinks, sodas, alcoholic beverages, intimacy kit. What? There's an intimacy kit?
What is that?
I don't know. I want to see it, but I don't want to pick it up because like they'll charge you. So yeah. And then this is my favorite place, the restroom. It's amazing. Okay, so first we go in the shower. The shower is so beautiful. You have one right here and one on the top, and then you can sit down. It's so cute. I love this. And then they have the little towels, yeah. And then I don't know how to use this, but look, you can just turn the shower on if you don't want like so much light, or like that. You can just turn these on. So we're gonna turn them on for right now. And then there's the closet. It's pretty spacious, which we're not gonna use. And then you have a safe where you can put like your money, you can put anything. And then we have the restroom, which is pretty cool too. You have the light, it's like so low, which you can relax in here, have your business. And then you have a phone. You can even talk on the phone with somebody else. And that's really cool too. Okay, and I was right here. The TV, you have a TV while you get ready. You can just watch the TV. And yeah, basically that's it. That's it for the room, which is so cool. I like it.